If you're curious about what iCloud backs up on your iPhone or iPad, this video will give you the details. We will show you what will iCloud back up and how it works, as well as another best iCloud alternative to better help you back up your iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch. Part 1. What does iCloud backup? Contacts, calendar notes, iWork apps, photos, music, iCloud Drive, app data, device settings, purchase history, Apple Watch backup, messages, visual voicemail passwords, voice memos, bookmarks, health data. Part 2. How to back up iPhone or iPad with iCloud. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, your name, iCloud Backup. Turn on Backup this device. iCloud Backup automatically backs up your device when connected to power, Wi-Fi, and screen locked. To manually backup, click Backup Now. Part 3. How to view and restore iCloud backup. Method 1. Flexible way to view and restore iCloud backup. Mobican Doctor for iOS enables you to view all iCloud backups and restore backup contents completely or selectively. It is a professional iOS data recovery program. To access and restore iCloud backup using Doctor for iOS, follow these steps. Step 1. Install Doctor for iOS after downloading it. After downloading and installing Mobican Doctor for iOS, launch the program. Choose Recover from iCloud from the left sidebar and sign into your Apple account. Step 2. Download iCloud synchronized data. Once logged in, you can select the file types you want to restore and click Next to let the program analyze the backup content. The analysis of an iCloud backups. Whole contents may take a while, depending on the size of your backup file. Step 3. View and restore your iCloud backup. After that, you can view all analyzed data. You can preview and select the data you want to recover. Then click Recover to Computer to save the restored data to your computer. Method 2. Common way to check what iCloud backup on iCloud.com. Go to iCloud.com, sign in, view backup. Click Photos to manage photos. Use iCloud Drive for documents, access contacts or events via calendar. Part 4. How to back up iPhone without iCloud. Mobican Assistant for iOS Win and Mac is a professional iPhone data backup manager favored by iOS users around the world. It allows you to back up your iPhone without iCloud.